Welcome back to the conclusion and wrap up of growing your business using live streaming. Now, in conclusion, regardless of the application, you want to use live streaming in a way that allows you to build authority and trust with your customers, your prospects, and with other people in the industry. You want to use live streaming to build your reputation and following. And this is very important because this will help you not only to build and collaborate, but it will also help you to become a better provider of products and services. Find out what your customers' objections are using live streaming by talking to people in real time, and in some cases, while they're using your product. Find out what your target market wants. And once again, in real time, allow them to interact with you, engage them, and allow them to tell you what it is they truly want in your niche, in your product, and in your service. Use live streaming to increase your sales by doing reviews, making sure that you tell people how they're going to benefit from something. Increase your reach through collaboration. So use live streaming in order to get influencers to become part of your stream. And again, you get the benefit of allowing their influence to rub off on you. Use live streaming to expand your circle of influence through interviewing. And so you get to influence other people. Not only that, you get to give your audience a broader sense of education, but you also give them a sense that, again, you are an authoritative figure in your niche. Expand your network by streaming live events. This is very important because, again, it gives you, just as you would through the interviews, it gives you that sense, again, that you are a player in your industry and that people ought to be buying from you. Grow your social network on the platform and on Twitter. So make sure that you learn how to use Twitter. Make sure you learn how to leverage Twitter, not only for your business, but so that you can leverage for the platform. Use them both to grow your platform and to grow your business. And then finally, use live streaming to grow your business with increased loyalty and familiarity. So by being in front of your people, by being in front of them and allowing them to see you, allowing them to hear you, hear your voice, and to see you demonstrate things, this will increase their loyalty to you and their familiarity with you, so that when you email them, when they contact you or you contact them, they actually know who they're dealing with. You are not a nameless, faceless person that they're doing business with, but you're someone that they feel like they know. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.